Hi, good evening. This is Sagar from OEM Update Magazine, and I have with me Mr. Nitin Mehra, who is the president of Precision Engineering Technologies. So, Nitinji, thank you so much for taking your time out and speaking with OEM Update Magazine. Just want to understand what was the philosophy in launching this performance series here in Pune today.
Yeah, thank you, Sagar, for coming to the event.
For the invite, sir.
Basically, the basic principle of launching this technology in India was that we have realized that the Indian machine tool manufacturers were building machines with low parameters and not as per the market demand. Whereas the customers have to go in for high technology machines towards Japan and Germany, to cater to their components. So we thought that there was a gap in the market, and why not we launch a machine which has the features and technology of or equivalent to the Japanese and Germans and affordable as per the Indian machines.
Okay.
So that is the segment we saw, and then we decided with our corporate office in US to design the machine, and then we started manufacturing the machine in India. And now it is that we have launched the machines, and we are proud that in the last 2 years we have more than 500 machines installed in India.
Actually, a great achievement. Just I would pick up something. You said these machines were designed at US, and then they were launched. So what was the time from designing to the final product coming, and then you selling it in the Indian market?
Well, we started this project by designing in US. It took us about 8 to 9 months to go on the drawing table and design the machines and add the features and other things what we wanted, and then we started the prototype machine manufacturing. Then these prototype machines were tested and tried in our own tech centers, and later we place these machines to our customers who can actually use it at the customer place, cut actual components, take out some productivity, you use more extensively. We place to the machines to the customers who are running the plants 24 hours a day and doing very high volume production. We also place these machines to the customers where they're doing high accuracy like aerospace components or medical components. Then those customers were using the machine for almost 9 months to 1 year. Then we got all the feedback, we improved upon, and then we finally launched the machines.
The machines which are launched, they have various partners. Your tooling partner, then you have the accessory partner, you have the CAD CAM partner. So how does the operator becomes industry ready when so many things have to be integrated and then delivered? So speaking from the skilling point set of this thing.
So basically, we saw that a lot of market, which a lot of people are offering their machines to the market, were offering only the machine, and the customer has to go to different vendors to buy each product of the system, and then so the entire purchase of the customer was not one person responsible. They were fragmented, and many people were responsible for doing the job. So a lot of customers were complaining that we bought a machine and we bought a rotary table from some other supplier, we bought a probing from some other supplier, but finally when the problem came, everybody gave up. They said this is his problem, they said this is their problem. So we thought, why not we become a single service provider to the customer? So we tied up with the top suppliers in the world today, and we bring them to a customer with single point contact, and we offer a complete solution to the customer. Now we have got our own engineering team, application training team, and service team trained from all these principal manufacturers, wherein they are responsible to upskill the customer operators. And we take the entire responsibility of the project and hand over the project to the customer.
Let me talk about the aerospace sector, which is really demanding very high precision, high efficiency. So there are a lot of things which are happening in the aerospace industry moving ahead. So how do you see the demand for these machines from the aerospace sector specifically?
Well, aerospace sector is prominently growing in the Indian industry and also in the global markets, and we are catering to aerospace industry with the performance series machine, and it is well accepted by the customers. The performance series machine bring an added advantage with high RPM and high torque altogether for a customer to cut soft material also and to cut hard material also for the customers. And it also gives higher precision, higher accuracy, where his customer gets the desired results on the same machine.
How efficient are these machines in terms of sustainability, in terms of energy efficiency?
Well, all these machines are since designed recently and have been added with a lot of high technology and added features. We are using motors which are energy efficient motors for the customers. So in terms the power consumption cost comes down. And with the intelligence industry 4.0 and AI inbuilt into these machines, the customers can usually using it machine more affordably.
And this also simplifies the predictive maintenance and preventive maintenance of these machines.
Yes, yes. With this artificial intelligence and Industry 4.0 systems, the maintainability of the machines becomes a lot more easier as they get regular alarms for various things.
Ultimately results in maybe efficient machines plus cost efficiency, operating cost comes down. That is what your thought is.
When a customer gets to know in advance that this has to be checked, the filters have to be cleaned, the other things have to be checked. So finally, the breakdown time reduces and the reliability of the machine increases, the productivity of the machine increases, which in turn brings value addition to a customer as he can make more profit.
Nitinji, thank you so much for speaking with OEM Update Magazine. We wish you all the best for the performance series.
Thank you, Sagar. Thank you very much for your time today.
Thank you so much.